Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 4th December 2024. Wednesday UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number. Today lunchtime prediction number 4, number 18, number 28, number 37, number 46, booster number 7. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number 6, 16, 20, 34, 39, booster number 22. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.